Here we go again. A courageous blimp pilot throws a potential blimp hijacker off his aircraft. Okay, so before we read this silly question, we still know that we can start with acceleration. Acceleration is going to be negative 9.8, always, 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 because anytime something falls, it has the acceleration of gravity. Alright, we see 10 meters per second. That's velocity, so that is our initial velocity. We see 800 meters. That is our xf/d. Alright, we see meters, we know it's xf or d, either one. Okay, and I'm asking for how fast, so I'm asking for its final velocity. Alright, well, again, picking our equation, we don't have time, so the first and third equations don't work. So the only thing we have left is Vf squared is equal to Vi squared plus 2AD. We are looking for how fast after. We're looking for Vf, so we need to square root both sides. Alright, and our V final, when we plug that in, is going to be, let's see, what's my number? It's going to be negative 125. Now, here's going to be another one where it's a little bit tricky. We've got to be careful with. We have a negative 9.8. So you're going to think, oh my God, I have a square root of a negative number because I'm multiplying times 800. But it's not really true, because if I said that it going down is negative because it's negative 9.8, then we need to make sure that our velocity, okay, or our distance, is also negative. So that should be a negative 800. Alright? This will be negative as well because it's going down. It's a negative 10. Alright? So we would say negative 10. Now, it says squared, but we are going to make sure that this 10 gets squared first and then keeps it negative. So it's really negative 100 plus 2 times a negative 9.8 times a negative 800. And that'll work out, okay? You will be square rooting a negative. You can take the negative out in this case and then put it back in. Again, if you start freaking out about negatives and all that, leave it all positive. I won't take off points. It should be negative at the end because it's going down. But again, if you have a positive 125, you'll be okay.